Our second topic for general mathematics, we have the operation and functions and composite functions. I will give you some examples. Okay, we have, okay, of course, the definition, f plus g of x, that is simply f of x plus g of x. So f minus g of x, that is simply f of x minus g of x. Then f times g of x, that is simply f of x times g of x. F over g of x, that is simply f of x over g of x. So we exclude the value of, okay, g of x equal to 0. So for our example, we have here, okay, use the function below and solve what is being asked. So we need to solve from a to e with the given functions. Okay, let's start with a, b plus g of x. So b plus g of x, so we need to add the functions b of x and g of x. So b of x is x squared plus 5x plus 4. Okay, of course, this is the b of x. G of x is equal to x squared plus 2x minus 8. Okay, this one. So by the next step is we remove the grouping symbols. Okay, this will be our values. Okay, again, we can combine like terms. Okay, x squared plus x squared, that is simply 2x squared. 5x plus 2x, that is 7x. Then the constant term, we had 4 minus 8, that is negative 4. So the value of b plus g of x is simply 2x squared plus 7x minus 4. For letter B, we have f times p of x. So the value of f of x is simply x plus 3. Okay, of course, this is the value. Then we have p of x, the value of that is 2x minus 7. Okay, using the FOIL method, x times 2x, that is 2x squared. So, 3 times 2x, 6x. Okay, remember that, 6x. X times negative 7 is negative 7x. So, negative 7x plus 6x is negative x here. Again, the constant term is 3 times negative 7, which is negative 21. So, the value of f times p of x is simply 2x squared minus x minus 21. For letter C, we have the sum of f and h of x. So, the value of f of x is, of course, x plus 3 here. The value of h of x is this one, x plus 7 over 2 all over 2 minus x. Again, getting the LCD, we can have the LCD here, which is 2 minus x. So, 2 minus x divided by, okay, we have here 1. Divide 1 is 2 minus x times x plus 3. So, the value is x plus 3 times 2 minus x. Okay, for the second term, we have 2 minus x divided by 2 minus x is 1. Times x plus 7, we have quantity x plus 7. So, simplifying that, we can have x plus 3, quantity 2 minus x, plus, of course, x plus 7 over 2 minus x. Okay, we can simplify, okay, this using the FOIL method. So, we have 3 times 2, okay, this one is 3 times 2, that is 6. So, that is 6. So, next is we have, of course, x times negative x is negative x squared. Okay, how about the other one? We have 2 times x, we have 2x. 3 times negative x is negative 3x. Negative 3x plus 2x is, of course, negative x here. Then copy x plus 7. Copy the denominator 2 minus x. Okay, combining like terms, we can have, okay, we can copy negative x squared. 6 plus 7 is 13. Negative x plus x is 0. So, we have 13 minus x squared over 2 minus x. Okay, we can multiply, okay, both the numerator and denominator by negative x. Okay, negative times 13 is negative 13. Negative times negative x squared is x squared. Also, multiply the denominator by negative 1. That is negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. negative 1 times negative x is positive x. So the value of f plus h of x is simply x squared minus 13 all over x minus 2. Let's move on. We have letter D, the difference between p minus f. So fx. So the value of p of x is we have 2x minus 7 minus the value of f of x, which is x plus 3. So again, okay, we distribute negative here. We copy 2x plus 7 or 2x minus 7. Sorry, we copy 2x minus 7 here. Then we distribute negative x, negative times x, that is negative x. Negative times 3 is negative 3. So again, we can simplify. 2x minus x is x. Negative 7 minus 3 is negative 10. So the value of p minus f of x is x minus 10. So the last one here is b over g's of x. So the value of b here, of b sub x, is x squared plus 5x over 4. Okay, this one. The value of g sub x is x squared plus 2x minus 8, this one. So we divide that, okay, this will be the final answer. Take note, you can simplify this if you can factor out the numerator and denominator, and if you can cancel, or if there is a factor, the same factors in the numerator and the denominator. For example number 2, okay, we have two examples here. Okay, we have the functions here and solve for first a g of f of x. So the value of g here is, okay, this one, square root of x, okay, square root of x plus 1. Take note that we have here f, so we have to insert f here. We know that the value of f is simply 2x plus 1. So we insert here x, that is 2x plus 1, or f of x equals 2x plus 1. Okay, then simplifying that, we have 1 plus 1 is 2. So the value of g of f of x is simply square root of 2x plus 2. For letter B, we have q of f of x. Okay, we know that the value of q is x squared minus 2x plus 2. So we have here x squared minus 2x plus 2. We need to substitute the value of, okay, f of x, or f of x in the value of x. So we know that f of x is 2x plus 1. So x becomes 2x plus 1 squared. X here becomes 2x plus 1 times negative 2, and we just copy 2. So simplifying that, okay, by expansion, we know that 2x squared is 4x squared. 2 times 2x is 4x times 1 is 4x. 1 squared is 1. Okay, for the second term, we have negative 2 times 2x. That is simply, okay, sorry, we just copied the negative sign here. 2 times 2x, we have 4x. 2 times 1 is 2. Just copy positive 2. To simplify this, we can combine like terms. We know that, okay, wala tayong kaparehas. We just copy 4x squared here. So 4x minus 4x, that is 0. 1 minus 2 is, of course, positive 1. So, the value of q of f of x is 4x squared plus 1. So, for your pre-class work B, okay, answer item number 1, 2, 3. So, you can find this also in your LMS. Also, submit your answer in the LMS. Thank you and good day.